Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm trying to take my time to arrange the wig cap and hair together. You need to take your time as well. You don't need to be in a rush. You really need to take your time. As if you want a perfect finish look, you need to take your time for that. So you can see me using my two hands to add tension to the hair wefts. I'm using one hand to pull the hair coming out of the foot presser, while I'm using the other hand to guide the hair going to the foot presser. The reason why you pull and guide the hair wefts is for you to have a tight grip between the hair weft and the wig cap. That is, you want the hair to overlap on each line. That's horizontally, you want it to overlap. You don't want that hair bump that will come out or make the hair look bulky. If you don't pull and guide the hair weft, it will be sticking out of each line. You don't want that. So here is the trick. You sew, you guide, and you pull. That's the trick for this. You don't want to be in a rush. Make sure to take your time because we are aiming at a perfect finish look. Then remember to use your reverse stitch button on the starting and finishing end of each line to give it that tight grip. So from that measurement that I took, where I said you take the vertical measurement of 5.5 inch to sew one bundle of hair. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm sewing the back part of the wig cap. So make sure you sew 6 to 7 lines, 6 to 7 horizontal lines. Make sure it enters that back part, just the back part, not the skull part. Make sure it enters there. And it depends on how many bundles you are using for your wig. So I was using 4 bundles of hair. So at this point, you need to get your soft dummy head and place your wig cap on it. Then get your chalk or white eyeliner and mark 0.3 inch into 7 places vertically. So I will be showing you a picture of how you are going to place your measuring tape and how to get that 0.3 inch, because that place that we are sewing now is the skull part, and you wouldn't want a scanty skull part because that's the major part of the wig. If that place isn't covered, then the one from the top, or from the front rather, the hairs from the front won't be able to cover those parts. So you need to cover that part very well. You need to make the spaces closer, not like that of the back parts. We are going to make the spaces closer this time around, not like the back part that will space it. As you are getting to the top of the wig cap, you notice that the plastic on it is almost finished, and without that plastic bag or nylon, you will be having the most loosed hair weft, which will bring us to this part where I had to cut some part of my not too soft weave-on pack. Another alternative is a Ziploc bag, or just look around you and look around your environment and get a plastic bag that is not too strong or not too soft for this. You can see me attaching it under, trying to place it that place that there is hole, so I wouldn't have a loose weft, because we don't want that. Anything loose, no, we don't want that.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.